Thank you bafethu. So coach Nabi we-Kaizer Chiefs sekhulume indaba yokuthi why angaqalanga Inacio Miguel noThabo Cele ama players ayi2 ku-Kaizer Chiefs athenjwa kakhulu yabo, because lama players lawa because boku biggest game of the season i-derby futhi eyokugcina ku-league. Lama players lawa they were expected to start the game njengoba sibabonile before i-game bazilolonga laphana ne-team. So uthe ucele vele ubuya ku-injury, so akaka recovery in fully and futhi ke akakabi like 100% full ukuthi aqale igame futhi ayiqede adlale u90 minutes. Sonke siyazi ukuthi vele ucele uke waba nako lokuthinteka, and then i-defender leli Inacio Miguel wakhona yakushiwo vele ukuthi same thing naye ubuya ku-injury akakabi 100% ukuthi angaperforma to ezingeni lakhe leli team elijwayele. So for bona ukuba introducer nje uzoba introducer lapho kancane nakancane, but ke i-question will remain ukuthi bazokwazi na ukudlala next week njengoba vele bodlala ne-Orlando Pirates for i-cup final yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs into ebaluleke kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuwina le cup lela next week yabo. Ayikho into ebaluleke kakhulu this season for i-Kaizer Chiefs kunokuthi ikwazi ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup. Yiyo into ezosave i-season ye-Kaizer Chiefs yabo, ikwazi nokubanika i-confidence back, nanokuthi ke going forward maybe they can build, nanokuthi bangasho ukuthi okay kuliga senzanga kahle this season but nayo into esibuye nayo, nanokuthi sikwazile ukuqualify for i-CAF Confederations Cup, i-Nedbank siyiphethe ngezandla yabo. Ulona we-Orlando Pirates, coach Orlando Pirates ke yena uyikhwale i-record lokuwina ama-games ayi5 in a row ku-derby yabona. So uyikhwale i-record la ka-Baxter nayo ke washaya i-Orlando Pirates 5 times in a row. So ucommentile ngaloko wathi uyasho ukuthi kusase ne-derby esazodlalwa, so yena bekungasi i-target lakhe lokuthi aphula ama-record for yonke lento lena nje is about i-team yabona. Uthi meqala ukufika ku-Orlando Pirates FNB na i-question yakhe mefika lapha bokuthi yena enze kahle for i-team angaluzi manje njengoba like uhleli ku5 games in a row. Yeah, like it's a good feeling but at the same time yonke lento le ye-team akusi into yakhe mhlambe angazi angayi-highlighta kakhulu kuzo zonke izinto. So for yena into important ukuthi i-team idlala kanjani nanokuthi deliver kanjani ama-results yabo. So yinto vele ayibhekile. Kukhulunywe no-coach Manqoba Mngqithiwe lona yena we-Golden Arrows, so umenshine nje izinto ezifika ukuthi i-team yakhe ayikakenzi kahle and nezathu zakhona because siyayibona ngempela ukuthi i-on and off ayikho sharp up front i-Golden Arrows. Uthe uManqoba Mngqithi ufila bad ukuthi in the last 4 games akazi nokuthi badominatwe na ama-opponents ngaleyo ndlela. Uyasho ukuthi kuwo wonke ama-game babe na better position bona and then bakwazi ukukreate ama-good chances, but unfortunately ke uthi abawathatha ama-chances lawa abawacreatayo and then they end up like ba-concede ama-goal like asili ama-goal beku-easy ukuthi bangawa-concede yabo, especially against i-Marumo Gallants sibonile ukuthi ba-concede kanjani na against amaZulu futhi ukuthi ba-concede kanjani yabo. Manje kukhuluma ngendaba yale last match ukuthi ba-concede kanjani against Stellenbosch and then bona bageja ama-obvious chances noma kulawa ama-chances akubizwa kuthiwa ama-sitter against i-Chippa United. Uyasho ukuthi kuyiqiniso ukuthi kumele basebenze kanzima ukuthi bawavalele phakathi ama-chances lawa abawatholayo ngoba ucabanga ukuthi inkinga enkulu kakhulu i-heel for bona, but ke nanokuthi ke phela ba-consider amagoli abangawa-expectanga lawo magoli ukuthi bawa-concede yabo. Uthi unfortunately ke loko i-part of the game, nanokuthi ke i-confidence yama-player nje kumele ibuye ngempela ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisana going forward, ba-bounce back next week ke Arrows ima ukubounce back. Guess idlala nani? Idlala ne-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates senze kahle kakhulu this season, ehleli number 2 ebuya ku-derby ukushaya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you bafowethu.